Hi everyone, konnichiwa. My name is YUCa. I am the host of YUCa's Japanese Cooking. I live in Tokyo with my family of 4 and hold the Japanese cooking classes. They are my helpers, Mario and Luigi. They are always joining as helpers in my videos. Usually they sleep like this. In this channel, I introduce the Japanese home cooking recipes, including pregnancy meals, baby meals, and toddler foods. I create recipes that can be easily be prepared for people who love Japanese food, as well as for people who are not familiar with Japanese food. Current popular recipes include gluten-free gyoza pastry recipe, and Japanese curry roux, and baby food, and toddler food series. I myself cooked as a chef in fermented food and vegetarian restaurants and nursery school. So please find your favorite playlist and subscribe. I'm always open to your request, so please send me a message from the comment box down below. I have also started online cooking classes. If you're interested, please check out the class information on my website. Ta-da! And I also have several original goods, including my first cookbook, YUCa's Japanese Cooking. This book includes a story about my entrepreneurship and also the popular recipes in my class. And I have an eco bag. This is really light and it's good for use as a second bag. I have this in my bag, of course. And I also have a very strong and a big tote bag made by denim. I wear jeans a lot, so I like this bag. I usually go grocery shopping with this bag and I carry lots of things, so I recommend this bag. It's very strong bag. And apron that I use in my cooking class, and it's very strong as well. You can wash many times, so I really recommend this one. How about making Japanese food with wearing this apron with me? And last one, and chopsticks. You can see the logo on the chopsticks. And I also use these chopsticks in my class. Very simple design. And you can use these chopsticks for dishwasher. So it's very strong as well. If you're interested in those original goods, please check my website. I hope you like them. And please support my cooking channel. Now, subscribe this channel and let's start making Japanese home meals. And I'll finish this video with my favorite words. Enrich your life from the table. See you soon!